Jamben bulala discipline ikumbhekwe seke sithetha uphanxa ngikhule phambi kwezinja ninqwaba yenyoka ngikhule ngokuvuna ibhukuva ingqondo igcwele ihlathi yangithathela i-Rothmans yangisiyela i-weakness ngoku ndifuna ifitsi mustazo yaba si-princess. Can you imagine ipain endlula kuyo ngibhala ibhasani ngoku ngithola inqumbo thina sikhule sigxekwa suppose abathi uweka ngibhala ivesi nqeqa ongxekwa unmotivator khawuthi ihlep iwekho uzazibona ezizibhanqa sithweka well it is a dangerous place where kwakhomba usakunesa ngathi ubungayivanga kum sana ukuyive kum hende yami yamkwa kutholakala kum bakuyivanga kum sungayibuzi kum devil instincts bapapa nibisa ngegumba khule ngokhanya imavi straight from ekapa ndabhala 2018 egamini ndifike ntshisa dibana noshavula fike ndibabangula mamela i-backyard omasho fundimeva street talk khuphe zami indaba ngisesokuqala isigaba while i-OGs ngapha zirapha uphandle and isithula sithetha i-weakness so singatrendi nenkiphe esenti yabantu bayithanda inyani they rather be trapped aba babe nenkani ba-brainwashed and ezam ndizihlambile respect isesitratweni midiya kugcwele ii-clowns utshuba ndiyaxoka kusekho rapper si-cloud chaser kusenimile mene ndakhona mna phantsi samcenga ukuba sakulingana Cinderella mbuyoziqenqa no no respect for ikakas ngenaphazi bathakho mntu weka uyithuzeleni itrap dala nam ndizibuza bayi noba isiphaza sifile kanye kuphelelwe nina khosoko nright wave dala ndinithandazela uba mbuye egaming shout out kweza pras zingazange zaswitcha me I'm for the street and ibuya nimamela yiba proud to sigomba isifuba me I keep it real nigga sex buvile ba isiphaza sinamali nigga yatrapa banamali ngo
yo listen up my guy I'm going to tell you this the way that I'm telling you so that you can be told I'm doing this I'm going to do this and I'm keep on doing it. You people like to photocopy, you copy everything. We don't look the same. If it's a copy, it's a copy. It's not the original.